it's Cal from Cal's Crafts. Welcome back if you've been before, and hi if this is your first time. This is where I'm going to do an unboxing. It's, as you can see, a Diamond Art Club. And we're also joined, if I just say hello, Lil. Say hello to the people. She's not very well today, so she's staying close to her mama. So yeah, so we're going to be doing an unboxing. I have my candle lit. For anybody that needs prayers, thoughts and positivity, this is a spiced berries and apple, and it smells divine. I have my cup of cha, as usual. I've just got back in, so I've just made that so it's nice and hot. So let's get into this one. Who doesn't like getting a package from Diamond Art Club? Right, I'll leave that down there. And then you've got a packing slip. And you always have a 15% off your next order, which I always forget to use, so, which I shouldn't because that's a big discount. So I'm going to put that there, I think, so I'll be able to see it. Yeah, perhaps put it there. You're going to go down? You're going to stay there? There you go. There you go. Right, so it comes in a lovely box if you've not seen it before. It tells you kit contents, which is a premium velvet tarpaulin canvas, colour-coded resin diamonds, magic diamond applicators, comfort grip, multi-placer and tweezers, 2 wax pads, craft tray and receivable baggies, inventory sheet with pre-cut sticky labels. And who doesn't like those? Right, so let me just get my scissors. I'm only just off camera. Oops, as I bang the thing. So let's just get the cellophane off, and then I will show. Well, you'll know what it is by the what do we call it? Description thing, title. So there we go. So we have bought Erase by Sunnivar Mister, 53 by 76 centimeters. And it is a square, because if it, you know, this bit is square, or it would be a circle if it's a circle, which is a nice thing. Now, I've wanted this one since it came out, and then I forgot about it, and then I saw it, and then it was unavailable for ages. Oh gosh, if I can get it out. Sorry, I had to get it out of the box then. And then I noticed it was back in stock, so I had to get this one. This that's your sticker, which I put on my end of my box, so I know easily what it is. This means a lot to me, because it this is how I feel some days, as if I would just want to erase myself out. So I quite liked what this stood for. Hang on, so I just popped up there. What's that pop up? I don't know. And it says, leave the cobwebs of the past behind and blaze forth on a journey of self-discovery. In a moment of realisation, gather courage and strength from this symbolic dragonfly. Its brilliant metallic greens and copper shine the way towards a brighter future. So erase, to me that means erase all bad stuff out of my life and start my journey forward. Oh, I'm going to be cold. Excuse me. So we all know Diamond Art Club, lovely and smooth and soft and yummy. This was £37. As I say, it's 53 by 76. You always get the instructions, step-by-step instructions. So if you've never diamond painted before, it tells you there. There's also another coupon in there to say thank you. So that's all your steps, and it tells you how to do the checkerboard, what to do if they've got clingy drills, everything, how to use a multiplacer, now to colour blocks. You've got everything you need that tells you there. I'll just do that a minute. We'll have a look at what's in the toolkit. I love Diamond Art Club toolkits. So we have got one hell hell of a lot of baggies. I've never had that many baggies before. So there's probably enough there to kit out the whole of this diamond painting. I've never seen so many. Usually you get a few, but not that many. So I'm well impressed with that. I love me baggies. You have a 4-placer on there, which I love my 4-placer, which you just stick in the end of there. And your single placer, you can put this on, just slide it on there, up there if you want comfort. On there we have 2 waxes. I love Diamond Art Club wax. I love these funnels. These are one of my favourite little trays, because you can pour things in the bag, you can pour things in your Harbour Freights or your round ones, whichever containers you've got. And I love these tweezers. They're very pointy, very sharp. Alright, shh. Oh, it's okay, it's only somebody go past. Oi. It's fine. Okay. Oi. That's enough. The people don't need to hear you barking, do they? No. Okay. I know you're protecting your mama. She thinks if a certain type of person goes past, she has to bark like mad. I keep telling her she doesn't, but you know, being a protective doggy. Anyway, yeah, I love these tweezers. They're very sharp. I don't use them for my diamond paintings, I must admit. I put these with my cross stitch kits. So what, a pair of these, every time I get a pair, it goes in one of my cross stitch whips, because they're good for if you have to frog to pull out the stitches. So that's what I use them for. But some people can do diamond painting with them, but I can't. So I'll put them away and then we'll have a look at this painting. So that's what we've got. We've got erase, and there's your stickers. They're all cut out individually, so you can just peel, and they gave you a set there. Now keep them, because you can write on that, so if you need to put spares, you know, you've got more than enough to go in a couple of tubes or a couple of containers, you can use them stickers to write on them. So you can have your start date, your end date, and a lot of people put this in a journal if they're doing their journals. Okay, so here she is. Oh my gosh, she's moving. I'm going to just roll her the other way a minute. She's got bits of cotton on her because I've been... I don't think I really have to. Just that bit there. I was going to roll her, but it's too big. It's too big for me to cope with. Right, can you see her? How lovely is she? Isn't she magnificent? I can't get it all in shot, but you're not missing much. You're missing, well, you are the dragonfly, but I'll bring that up closer for you to look now. So how pretty is that dragonfly? Absolutely gorgeous. She is fantastic. As I say, I've wanted this one for a long time. So we're going to have a look and see how clear the symbols are. They are crystal clear, them squares. Absolutely crystal clear. It is lovely and sticky. You've got your symbols down the bottom, and you've also got them at the top. I love them when they're opposite each corner, so every time you rotate your diamond painting you can see your symbols, which is lovely. So it doesn't matter where you're working on here, you'll always be able to see your symbols. I'm just going to slide that over there. This is going to be stunning. Can't wait to work on this one. Right, should we have a look at our diamonds? As I say, this is a square. Oh, I better measure it first, don't I? Let me measure it. Let's see if it's true to size. You're going to see my big arms in this, but that's fine. You don't mind that, do you? So it says it is 53 across. I need to get a decent tape measure. and it is dead on 53. And you are going to see me stretch across the canvas. And I think that's that up to there. 76. Is it 76? Yeah, 76. So it's spot on. So the drill field is spot on, which I wouldn't expect anything less. And I say it was £37 for this one, square one. It says it contains 62,196 diamonds to complete this, and it's 30 colours. So if you like to write down how many diamonds you put down in each painting, which I used to do, because I used to count them, but I haven't done it for a long time, but Diamond Art Club actually write down on their page how many diamonds are in this, which was, what, 62,196, which was one or two. They also put the number of the canvas and the number of the name of it. Erase. Is it the number of the canvas? Yeah. So down in this corner, you can see 216S4 erase, 216S4 erase. So if you stack your paintings and your diamonds separately, it's easy to match them up. I tend to store them back in their boxes because it's easier for me, but some people hang them or lay them flat somewhere and then they chuck these into a bin or something. So let's have a look. So we have 758, then we have 5200, all your whites, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of that one. Baby pink, 819. Your dark browns, 3371s. Dark brown again, but not quite as dark, 938s. 2 bags of them. Then an 838 dark brown. Then like a dark burgundy, 814. 3860, a lighter clay brown. A peachy salmon colour, 754. Baby pink, 818. That's like a terracotta, 356. 2 bags of that. And then another brown, 779. So there's quite a few shades of brown in there. Then this one, we have like a beige colour, 3782. A light brown, like a, yeah, very, very light, 722. A burgundy, 3685. A green, 470. 3110 black, so only a few black. Another brown, a 975. An olive green, 940. Another light brown, 841. A really, really light colour, light clay colour, 648. A dark olive, 3787. A mossy green colour, I would say, 937. This looks like a creamy white, 3033. This looks like a pinky grey, 3861. 644, like a grey colour, like a greeny grey. This is like a reddy brown, 3830. Bricky red brown, 355. Again, I don't know what you call it, colour of brown, 3857, and then a brown of 779. Hang on, the telesales. So yeah, so loads and loads of browns in that one, but I think it's going to really, really look splendid. The quality, as you can see, of the drills are gorgeous. You see the sparkle, the facets on the top make them just sparkle. You see the sparkle? Even through the bag you can see them sparkling. They look, there's no tabs or anything on them or indents or anything. They look absolutely gorgeous. I'm really pleased. This one I will keep, I think, for a winter's day. This one will be. But I'm just so glad I've got it in my stash because I really, really wanted this one. So let me know, what do you think? Do you like this sort of thing? Does it appeal to you? As I say, it appeals to me because it's personal, if you know what I mean. That's how I feel, that's my emotions, that's what I'd like to do some days. So that's why I like this one. Let me know in the comments if you've got this one, or that you'd like to buy it, or you are going to buy it. I love to hear off you all. So I'm just staring at it. I'm just so chuffed that I've got it. So I said, another beautiful, beautiful kit. The symbols look really easy as normal to read. There isn't anything on there that would confuse me at all. As I say, everything is crystal clear. Beautiful. The canvas is just stunning. Sparkle in it. As you know, Diamond Art Club always have a sparkly canvas. So with that said, I'm going to love you and leave you. I've probably forgotten something, and I'm sorry if I do. If you want any questions about it, just put them down in the comments down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. So with that said, all my social medias down below, my Etsy shop, Patreon, everything about me is down below. So with that said, look after yourselves, take care, but most importantly, stay safe, guys, because I love you. Bye.